This hair tea I'm making right now is very powerful and effective. You will see results in just a few days of using. Now, to prepare this powerful hair treatment, we will be needing a few ingredients, and the first one will be rosemary. Rosemary is powerful, effective, and works like magic if used consistently. If you have hair thinning, bald spots, alopecia, and all the hair problems, then I don't know what you are waiting for. That problem could be reversed with something like rosemary and if used consistently. So give it a try and you'll be amazed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer some rosemary to a mason jar. I don't have any specific measurement for all these ingredients I will be using. Just feel free to use your own measurement. The next one we will be needing cloves. Here is another powerful, effective, and wonderful ingredient you need to start using and include it to your hair care regimen if you are struggling to grow your hair, if you want to grow your hair thicker, if you want to grow your hair longer and healthy. Start including ingredients like cloves. So cloves are really powerful and effective, contains eugenol, which is powerful for stimulating blood circulation to your scalp. And increased blood circulation means that your hair will grow faster and healthy. So also I'm just adding any quantity. We will also be adding cinnamon. We will be needing cinnamon sticks. These are the cinnamon sticks I have. You can use the other type of cinnamon sticks or cinnamon powder. Cinnamon are powerful and effective for stimulating blood circulation to your scalp, especially if you have those bald spots. Applying or using cinnamon to those areas, they are going to stimulate blood circulation and increase hair growth to that area. But you need to use and apply and make sure to massage that area with cinnamon, either cinnamon spray or cinnamon oil. This really works wonders. So we will also be needing fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are another powerful ingredient I always like to use whenever I'm making hair treatment, and these seeds have really helped me to grow my hair healthy and stronger. Fenugreek seeds contains protein which helps to strengthen the hair from root to tip. So if you struggle with unnecessary breakage, then you need something like fenugreek seeds to your hair care routine. So right now I'm going to be adding water to the ingredient. Today I'll be making a lot of the treatment. This jar is 1 liter jar, and as you can see I added water to make it full because I want to use this spray for about 2 weeks before it get finished. So I added hot water. Just make sure to use hot water so that the ingredients can infuse faster. So I will leave this for about 24 hours or 48 hours, and then I will check it. You just need to wait for longer so that the ingredients release all the nutrients in water. And as you can see, I left it for 48 hours, and this is how it's looking like. All the nutrients in the ingredients infused in water, which I was really interested in, and now I'm able to strain out the liquid treatment. And these ingredients are now useless. I will not use them again. I'm just going to throw them away or dispose because I can't use them. There's no any nutrients in them. So now this is how the treatment is looking like. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer some to this applicator bottle, and the remaining I will just transfer to another safe applicator bottle and cover it, and I can put it in the fridge, or you can just put it in a cold place or dark place, and you are free to use it for 2 weeks. So I'll be using this spray as a leave-in treatment because this spray is very effective and powerful. I always like to use this kind of spray as a leave-in. I do not want to use it as a rinse off. Every time I use a treatment, I make a treatment like this, I like to get all of its amazing benefits. And if you use this consistently on your scalp and hair, you will notice a big change in a short period of time. I like to use it on my scalp mostly, and then I also go towards the ends and make sure that every single strand is well saturated. And what I like to do when I apply, I like to give it a little massage uh, so that it can penetrate to the scalp, and so I can get all of its amazing benefits. So do not use this as a leave-in and then skip moisturizing your hair with a leave-in and then sealing in moisture with oil or hair butter, because you do not want your hair to dry and break. So once you use this, make sure to follow up with your leave-in conditioner and then oil or hair butter. So using this on your hair and scalp at least 2 to 3 times a week, you see a big difference, especially on your bald spot, thinning areas, and just make sure to massage it all the time when you apply it on your scalp. Using the ingredient I have included to this spray, they are going to not only make your hair thicker, but also will help to stop the breakage. You have unnecessary breakage. It has fenugreek seeds, which helps to support the strength of your hair from root to tip. If you struggle with excessive breakage whenever you are detangling your hair, then using this kind of spray, your hair will grow extremely fast and thick, and you will not have any issues with hair thinning. So do not skip moisturizing or coating that your hair strands with leave-in conditioner and oil of your choice. So we're coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. I will see you in the next one. Bye.